Welcome to our exciting English learning series, where we make language learning fun and effective. And today we're going to explore English verbs in a way that's easy to understand and remember. Are you ready to dive into the world of action words? Let's get started. Our first verb of the day is play. I play football with my friends after school. Eat. She eats rice and chicken for lunch. Read. He reads a storybook before bedtime. Write. We write new words in our notebooks. Draw. She loves to draw pictures of animals. Run. He runs fast during the sports day race. Jump. I jump over the puddle on my way home. Sing. We sing songs together in music class. Dance. She dances beautifully in the school performance. Listen. He listens to his teacher carefully. Swim. I swim in the pool every weekend. Help. She helps her mother in the kitchen. Laugh. We laugh at funny jokes during lunch. Sleep. He sleeps early every night. Study. I study my lessons every evening. That was a fun ride through the world of verbs, wasn't it? I hope you found this video helpful. Remember, practice is key to mastering a new language. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging English lessons. Hit the bell icon for notifications on our latest videos. Keep practicing and stay curious.